kasama po natin ang
Cloud 7!
Yes! Hi everyone! 1 year has passed at grabe ng kasikatan nyo ngayon. How does it feel for each and every one of you?
Hello po.
Very amazing.
Amazing!
Very amazing, very demure.
And class.
Classy.
Yes, of course. Diba, napakadami yung rainbows out there. How do you be able to reach out for them? Ang dami nun eh. Siguro you have millions of followers out there all in all. So how do you be able to cope up with them, communicate with them?
We do social media lives po. Doon po sa live namin, dumadami po yung mga sumasali, tapos doon po kami nakikipag-interact. Like si EG po, naglalaro po siya ng games, kasama po yung fans sa live po niya. So yun po.
Now you'll be having your first ever concert at Music Museum. Congratulations on that! Sold out. Anong i-expect namin on your concert? What do you have there?
Syempre po, meron po yung mga solo performances, duo performances po, and trios po. Mga performances po na hindi pa po nakikita sa mga shows namin, ganun.
We're gonna surprise you guys. Makikita niyo.
What's that surprise?
Siyempre, ipapakita
Surprise,
namin yung nostalgic performance namin na ginawa namin in the past.
Oh, okay. So, this is the time for you to invite each and every one of us. Kami manonood pala. So, we'll be supporting each and every one of you. At invite pa natin, syempre, manood ang ating mga rainbows out there to support you on this first ever concert of yours.
Hey yo, what's up Rainbows? We're inviting all of you on February 28, Friday, 8 p.m. at the Music Museum San Juan. We're very expecting all of you. This is gonna be a great and wonderful night. Lots of fun activities and fun meet and greets, mini shows, and lots of amazing performances. And of course, we won't forget that we are also giving back to the people in need because this is a beneficiary concert.
Okay, what about?
Ayun po, abangan niyo po yung concert namin, marami pong pasabog.
Ayan pa, we would like to invite you all na pumunta sa concert po namin sa February 28 Music Museum po. It's going to be a fun night at sana mag-enjoy po tayo.
Yun, and gusto po namin kayo invite dahil marami po kami inahandang performances para po sa inyo. Solid yun, oo nga po.
Maraming salamat and see you on February 28. Na, Cloud 7!